The number one way to build your confidence and get into action is to own your story. I understand what it's like to lack confidence and block inspiration. When I was 25 years old, I wanted to write a book and become a motivational speaker, but I hadn't taken an English class since high school. So, how was I going to write a book? I wanted to be a motivational speaker, but I had no idea how to step onto a stage and give a talk, and I didn't have the confidence to do this type of work. But there was a voice within me that just kept saying, "You have a story to tell." As a teacher of the law of attraction, I believe that abundance begins by feeling abundant. When you take on the energy of what you want to create, your desires become your reality. Many people think they'll feel good once they have money in the bank, but it's the other way around. The truth is that you'll have money when you feel good. So make feeling good your number one priority. One way you can start feeling good is by doing the work you desire right now. I worked for free as a speaker before I started charging people. I created YouTube videos way before I was ever on TV. So you know I worked for free for a while to gain that confidence and experience, and I really built up my skills. But most of all, I loved what I was doing. It was such a thrill for me to land on any stage and stand in my power. This thrill, this sense of joy and gratitude is what created my success. How many of you out there are thinking, oh, so and so's already done it, or she's got that video blog, or he's already written that book? I know who you are. You're watching this video right now, and you're like, oh, that's me. I know you. So let me stop you right where you are. Don't compare yourself. If you compare yourself, your great work will be stifled. It will be blocked, and in many cases, it won't get out into the world. So do not stop because you think it's been done before. I can pretty much guarantee that there are people out there already doing something that you want to do. That will always be true for everyone. It's true for me too. But here's the thing, that other person isn't you. They have their own story and their own way of reaching people. There are people who need what they're sharing, and there are people who need what you are sharing. When you're jealous of something that someone else has, you're actually telling the universe that if they have it, that means you can't. Your jealousy tells the universe that there's only so much to go around. It's a zero-sum game.